Video, I'm going to go over this small little carrying case for a DJI Nano. So here's the outside of the case. It's kind of like one of these semi-top hard cases, more like a protector case. It is not waterproof, but you really don't need to be waterproof. Has this little built-in lanyard right there, but they gave you a extra hook so you could hook it onto something. Some pretty nice solid zippers that go all the way around. Let me just show you how this thing mounts in here. So open it up. You got the camera itself is just like that. That has the base and the top of the DJI Nano. You got the hat clip right there. You've got the lanyard necklace clip right here. Then you got your little suction cup right there. It holds all of the standard combo very nicely. And then up in here, I'm running the cage, and then they gave me with it, that's the cord for charging, they gave you a like thumb screw. They gave you this cover for the lens. You get a lens cover. You get this little mount right here that seems to work just perfect too. I actually did not get one of these mounts with my my kit, but look at that. That worked out perfect, and it's metal. That's got metal right there. I don't see any issues with this at all. I think anybody that has a DJI Nano and they're looking for an affordable case, I recommend getting this right here because it seems to hold it all perfectly, and they give you some little kind of accessories I didn't even know you got. I didn't even pay that much attention when I ordered it because it was so affordable. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the DJI Nano carrying case. See you on the next video.